Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss that how to log out of your Telegram app. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your Telegram app and on the top left corner you will see three lines. To log out from Telegram app, click on those and then click on settings button. After going to settings panel, on the top right corner you will see three lines. Click on it and then you will view the logout button. Click on the last option which says logout, and here it will show you multiple options, but on the last you will see logout button. So click on that red logout button and it will ask for confirmation. So if you are sure to log out your account from Telegram app, click on logout button and there you have it. You have successfully logged out of Telegram app. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.